Hey WikZok family, today I'm gonna share with you guys simple steps to transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Today, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer iPhone data to your new updated phone. I have my old iPhone 12 Pro here. I am gonna transfer this data to my new iPhone 15. Step 1. First, we're gonna get our old phone that I have, iPhone 12 Pro. Go to the settings and go to iCloud option. Backup our all data to iCloud. That's how we not gonna lose any of our bit. Backing up the older iPhone data is taking approximately 44 minutes. It can take longer also if you have more data. Step number 2. After backing up our data to iCloud, it will give you option to erase data. But we're not gonna select it because we have to transfer our data as it is to our new phone. Step number 3. Put these iPhones near each other. That's how it will sync each other and give the option of setup new phone. Number 1. Select the language. I am selecting English. Select the region. I am selecting UAE. Number 3. You can select the appearance default, medium or large. Whatever you prefer, select. Step number 4. Quick start. Looking for nearby devices. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure you updated the latest iOS and has Bluetooth turned on. Step number 5. Scan the pattern with old phone to get connected with new phone. Step number 6. The old phone gives you a pop-up. Set up for me and continue the further process with your new iPhone. For privacy check, it will give you option to enter the passcode of old iPhone. After some time, the option of data and privacy will pop up. Step number 7. Now it will give you the option of set up a face ID. You can easily set up your face ID while moving your head. Step number 8. Then they will ask you to set up a face ID while wearing a mask. I will skipping this option right now. I will set up this later. You can do this right now if you want. Step number 9. Face ID is now set up. Continue with the option transfer data from Nazia's phone. Now you can transfer all its data and setting directly to this iPhone. You need to keep your old iPhone nearby. That's how the process of transferring data will be smooth. And if your iPhone's battery is low, then you should connect with charger and estimated transfer time is 10 to 15 minutes. Agree the terms and conditions and then continue. Step number 10. Now it will give you the option of make this your new phone. Let's continue with iMessage and FaceTime. Also turn on location services, otherwise you can set up later. Step number 11. Set up Siri by just speaking. Funny thing is my old iPhone Siri wake up. Now select what language you want to speak with Siri. It gives me two options, English and Arabic. Because I am residing in UAE region, I continue it with English language. Now it gives you variety of voices, male, female. Choose the voice you want. I'm choosing female voice because I don't want any male voice annoy me all the day. Joke aside, let's continue our step. Step number 12. Now you need to speak variety of messages to Siri. That's how Siri identifies your voice. Note that the old iPhone Siri keep interrupting. Now Siri is ready. Improve Siri and dictation by sharing your audio recordings. That's fine for me. If you don't want it, click the option not now. Then continue with emergency SOS because it is very necessary to have some help when you are in trouble. Now update the software. Agree the terms and conditions. Now old iPhone gives the option to finish with new iPhone. Step number 14. This software update option can take a little longer. So put your phone down and do your other work. Step number 15. When the old iPhone is successfully copied to new iPhone, the old iPhone will pop up transfer complete. Now your old iPhone will give the option of erase this iPhone to completely remove everything from your old phone. Erasing old iPhone take few steps that include entering your passwords, and that's how your old iPhone is completely erased, and now you can enjoy browsing with your new iPhone.
If you liked it, please share and don't forget to subscribe.